Question number 9. Part A, we have to prove that tan theta minus pi by 4 is equal to sin 2 theta minus 1 over cos 2 theta. Now take left hand side, which is equal to tan theta minus pi by 4. Now open the formula. We know that tan theta minus tan pi by 4 over 1 plus tan theta into tan pi by 4. We know that tan pi by 4 is equal to 1. Now putting the values, tan theta minus 1 plus tan theta. Now convert tan theta into sin theta over cos theta plus sin theta over cos theta. Now taking the LCM, sin theta minus cos theta into cos theta plus sin theta over cos theta. Here this cos cancel this one, so we have sin theta minus cos theta into cos theta plus sin theta. Now multiply and divide by cos theta minus sin theta. Sin theta minus cos theta, cos theta plus sin theta. Multiply by cos theta minus sin theta, cos theta minus sin theta. Now multiply sin theta with cos theta and sin theta with sin theta. Sin theta cos theta to minus sin square theta. Now multiply cos theta with cos theta and sin theta. Minus cos square theta minus plus sin theta cos theta. Cos square theta minus sin square theta. To sin theta cos theta minus sin square theta plus cos square theta or cos 2 theta. Now we know that 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 over cos 2 theta. Now is it what we have to prove? Is equal to right hand side. Now let's have a look on second part. Answer otherwise solve sin x minus 1 over cos x. It is the same term that is defined in part A, but here the theta is x by 2. When theta is equal to x by 2, then sin 2 theta will be equal to sin 2 into x by 2, which become sin x. Similarly, cos 2x will be equal to cos x. Now tan theta. Now first I am writing the equation. Tan theta minus pi by 4 is equal to sin 2 theta minus 1 over cos 2 theta. Now here we have theta is equal to x by 2. Putting the values in the above equation, we have x by 2 minus pi by 4 is equal to sin x minus 1 cos x. And sin x cos x is sin x minus 1 over cos x is equal to under root 3. Tan x by 2 minus pi by 4 is equal to under root 3. Now taking the tan inverse on both sides, x by 2 minus pi by 4, tan inverse under root 3 is pi by 3. X by 2 is equal to pi by 3 plus pi by 4. X by 2 is equal to 4 pi plus 3 pi over 12. X by 2 is equal to 7 pi by 12. X is equal to 7 pi by 12 root 2. X is equal to 7 pi by 6. So this is our solution. For the given condition.